Hi guys, it's Tyler from OpenPython and welcome to my Learn Python Complete Beginner course. When I built OpenPython, the goal was pretty simple. I just wanted a place where people could learn programming without feeling overwhelmed. And a lot of courses either move way too quickly or assume that you already know half the content before you even start. And that's really not how this course works at all. Everything here is designed to be followed step by step from the ground up. And if you're completely new to programming, that's perfectly fine. In fact, that's exactly who this course was built for. As you work through the lessons, you'll see explanations, coding exercises, quizzes, and projects. So my advice is simple. Don't just read through the content and move on. Actually complete the exercises and then spend a bit of time experimenting as well. Looking at this first lesson, there's not a lot for us to complete yet. This lesson is really just about getting you familiar with the platform and understanding what you're about to start learning. You'll notice that lessons are broken down into smaller sections rather than one giant wall of content, and that's intentional. So it's much easier to learn programming when you focus on one concept at a time instead of trying to absorb everything at once. One thing I want to mention before I move on is that you don't need to understand everything immediately. Programming is just a skill like any other. Most concepts make a lot more sense after you've used them a few times. So if something doesn't click straight away, don't worry. Just keep moving forward and revisit it later if you need to. For now, all I want you to do is make sure you've completed any activities in this lesson and then move on to the next one. That's where we'll start talking about Python itself, what it is, where it's used, and why it's become one of the most popular programming languages in the world. Anyways, welcome to OpenPython, and I'll see you guys in the next lesson.